Cinematic shots of the 2025 Audi e-Tron GT driving on a scenic road, highlighting its sleek design, LED headlights, and aerodynamic curves. Welcome back to Auto Show Cars, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of automobiles. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Audi e-Tron GT. A luxury electric sedan that combines performance, elegance, and cutting-edge technology in a way only Audi can deliver. Let's start with the design. One look at the e-Tron GT, and you know it means business. The aggressive front grille, striking matrix LED headlights, and sculpted lines give it a commanding presence. Every curve and crease is designed not just for aesthetics but for aerodynamics, helping improve efficiency and performance. The sloping roofline and wide stance make it look more like a grand tourer than a traditional sedan, which is exactly what Audi intended. Under the hood, or rather, under the chassis, you'll find a dual-motor setup that delivers exhilarating performance. With up to 637 horsepower in the RS variant, the e-Tron GT can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. But it's not just about speed. Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional handling and grip, making every drive thrilling yet composed. Speaking of performance, the battery technology in the 2025 model has been refined for better range and efficiency. With an estimated range of around 300 miles on a full charge, this EV is perfect for both daily commuting and long road trips. And when you need to recharge, Audi's 800-volt fast charging system allows you to go from 10% to 80% in just about 22 minutes. That's faster than your coffee break. Step inside, and you're greeted with a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. Premium materials like leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber create an upscale feel, while the driver-focused cockpit ensures an immersive experience. The 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit and 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen provide crisp graphics and intuitive controls. Audi has also enhanced voice commands and haptic feedback for an even smoother user experience. And let's not forget the comfort. The seats are ergonomically designed, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The Bang & Olufsen premium sound system delivers an incredible audio experience, making every drive feel like a private concert. Safety and driver assistance features are top-notch, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras ensuring peace of mind. So, is the 2025 Audi e-Tron GT the ultimate luxury EV? With its stunning looks, thrilling performance, and top-tier technology, it's hard to argue otherwise. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews right here on Auto Show Cars.